So guys, today I'm showing you how to use a virtual environment on your Python project. Just go on your terminal, type python 3-m venv and venv again. It stands for virtual environment. Press enter. Now you get a new directory. Inside it's a bin directory, and inside we have a activate file. Then type source, go into the directory with file environment, type bin activate and press enter. Now you see these brackets with this venv virtual environment. It means your environment is activated. Now you can see what packages are inside already. You type pip list and you see there are only 2 packages. Now let's install something. Let's install pip install numpy. Numpy is installed. Pip list again, and you see numpy is here now. So what you do, you can deactivate your environment to check if it worked. So type simply deactivate. Now your environment is deactivated. Go on pip list again and you see the numpy is gone.